Let me show you how to search by location inside of Indeed. Welcome back to a new guide video on how Genetic. Whether you're looking for a remote job or a job in a particular location, you can easily do it through the search feature. If you remove everything, you're going to get search results based upon your location. So the location that you've added in, but you can also look for jobs outside of your location. For example, if you select remote, you're going to only see remote jobs. But if you want a certain location, make sure you type in the city or the exact location that you're trying to work in, and then you can hit search. This way is going to show you jobs that are available in your location or the location that you just added in. So that is how you search by location inside of Indeed. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.